science. You know that we are doing chapter number 4, clothes. We have already completed the explanation of the chapters. We have started the exercise. Today we will continue from the exercise. Okay. So let me write down chapter, the name of the chapter. And I am requesting everyone, please switch off your front camera. Okay, and mute your microphone. So what is the chapter? Chapter number 4, clothes our protectors. Okay. So all of you will write this question answer in your science copy. Okay, you will write it down in science copy, because as it is a question answer part, we have to write in the science copy, not in the book. So we will start from number D. Okay, we will start from number D, very short answer question. Okay, we will start from very short answer question of the exercise of chapter number 4. So you will write it down in your science copy. You write question number 1, name any 2 things used to keep insects away from the clothes. We'll start from there. Okay. So please switch off your front camera. Ford Oak. Ford Oak. Okay, can you see me? Can you see the board? Am I visible? Yes or no? Am I visible to you and audible also? Joita? Okay, Joy Prakash Samanto, please switch off your front camera. Rajdeep, Priyojit. Okay. You are late now. Good morning now. I have already told before. Okay, so I think all of you are fine. Yes or no? How are you? Okay, so let me begin now. Question number 1. Yes, very good, Shubhanga. Okay, Joita also. Very good. So you are writing your answer. Due to some technical failure, your assessment will is not being held during the scheduled time. It will be informed you later on. Okay, Shruti. It will be informed you later on. You will get to know that one. Due to some problem, technical problem. Okay, so let me begin. Question number, section number D, very short answer, very short answer questions. Okay, you will write this one in your copy. Then question number 1, name any 2 things, name any 2 things used to keep insects away from clothes. So your answer is Okay. Okay, Shruti, can you see me now? Am I visible to you? You have written. Okay. Now see here, two things used to keep insects away from clothes. Two things used to keep insects away from clothes are number A, naphthalene balls, and number B, dried neem leaves. Dried neem leaves. Okay, so you write in this way, two things used to keep insects away from clothes are naphthalene balls and dried neem leaves. Okay. Okay, Tanvi, you write down the answer properly. Dried neem leaves. You write in this way. So number 1 is completed. I think all of you have completed now. I will rub the board to write the next question. You can also write down in your copy. Name any two synthetic fibers. Okay, I am rubbing this one now. Question number 2. Name any two synthetic fibers. Answer: two synthetic fibers are nylon and rayon. Nylon and rayon. Okay. Okay, so your answer is name any two synthetic fibers. Two synthetic fibers are nylon and rayon. Okay. Yes, Shruti, polyester. Okay, okay. You have written polisher, not polisher. It is polyester also. I have told you rayon, nylon, polyester, terylene, terracotta. These are all. Okay. Now question number 3. Name two insects which harm the woolen clothes. Name two insects which harm the woolen clothes. What is the answer? Anyone? What answer? Yes, Joita. Your answer is two insects. You write in this way, full answer, not the single word. No, Shruti, you have written mother. Mother and silverfish, not mother, it is moth. Moth and silverfish. Okay. Two insects which harm the woolen clothes. Two insects which harm the woolen clothes are, what are those? Moth and silver fish. You can underline moth and silver fish. So, two insects which harm the woolen clothes are moth and silver fish. Okay, very good. All of you are giving your correct answer. Joita also. So, moth and silver fish. Don't disturb anybody, please. I am requesting anyone, and don't chat among yourselves. I can see from here. Okay, you will switch off your front camera and mute your microphone, and don't share your screen. Shubhanga, nobody will share your screen. Okay. If you have any problem in seeing the board, or if I am not audible to you, you please disconnect it and join again. Disconnect and join again. Okay. So, we have completed our section D, very short answer question. So, we will recap what we have done now. We will revise now, then we will go to short answer question, section E, short answer question. So, see here, number 1, question number 1 from very short answer question. Name any two things used to keep insects away from clothes. Your answer is two things used to keep insects away from clothes are, number A, naphthalene balls, number B, dried neem leaves. Question number 2, name any two synthetic fibers. Two synthetic fibers are nylon and rayon. Number 3, name two insects which harm the woolen clothes. So, your answer is two insects which harm the woolen clothes are moth and silverfish. Okay. Okay, Rajdeep, do not share your screen with others. Rajdeep. Okay, now we have completed very short answer question. We will move to sections E, short answer question from the exercise. So, I am rubbing this one. Okay, and now all of you will write down. Okay. So, now section E, Short answer question. Short answer questions. Question number 1. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? Okay. So let me write the answer. We wear clothes. We wear clothes to we wear clothes due to the following. We wear clothes due to the following reasons. We wear clothes due to the following reason. Number A, clothes cover our bodies. First of all, you write this point. Clothes cover our bodies. Point number B, clothes make us look smart. Shubhanga, if you are not able to see me, or if I am not audible to you, you please disconnect it and then join again. Okay, you are writing there. I can see from here. Okay, disconnect, then you join again. So why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes due to the following reasons. Clothes cover our bodies, number A. Number B, clothes make us look smart. Number C, clothes protect us. Protect us from the heat of the sun, cold, rain, dust, and insect bite. Clothes protect us from the heat of the sun, cold, rain, dust, and insect bite. And number D, clothes help us to identify. Clothes help us to identify the job of a person like doctor, lawyer, nurse, etc. Okay. So write down this way. Why do we wear clothes? Let me explain this one. Why do we wear clothes? See here, we wear clothes due to the following reasons. Number A, clothes cover our bodies. Number B, clothes make us look smart. Number C, clothes protect us from the heat of the sun, cold, rain, dust and insect bites. And number D, clothes help us to identify the job of a person like doctor, lawyer, nurse, etc. Okay. I think all of you have written. So be quick in writing. I will have to wrap the board to write the next question. Do up to question 2 today. Okay. From short answer question we will do up to question 2. Okay. All of you have completed? Yes or no? Let me have the answer. Let me have your answer. You have completed or not? Yes. Okay. Okay. So now I am rubbing the board. Okay. Okay. Now question number 2. What are fibers? What are fibers? Name 2 types. Name 2 types of fibers. So your question is, what are fibers? Question mark. Name 2 types of fibers. So let me write, what are fibers? So your answer is what? First of all, what are fibers? Fibers are, you will underline fibers. Fibers are long and fine threads. Fibers are long and fine threads you can add another line also for this answer. The fabrics are made by weaving. Fabrics means your cloth material, suppose cotton or jute, okay, that the fabrics are made by weaving the fibers. Full stop. So what are fibers? Fibers are long and fine threads. The fabrics are made by weaving the fibers. Okay. So name two types of fibers. Two types of fibers are number A, natural fibers. Two types of fibers are natural fibers, and B, synthetic fibers or man-made. Man-made fibers. So the answer is completed. Okay, so let me repeat the answer of question 2. Okay, Shurudeep, don't use any emojis here. Okay. What you are sending. Okay, see here. So what are fibers? Fibers are long and fine threads. The fabrics are made by weaving the fibers. Two types of fibers are natural fibers and number B, synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. Okay. So today up to question 2. Okay. So next day we will continue from section E. Means we will continue from question number 3 of section E of the exercise of chapter 4. So let me we have done from section E. Okay, so we have done question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 is why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes due to the following reasons. Number 1, clothes cover our bodies. Number B, clothes make us look smart. Number C, clothes protect us from the heat of the sun, cold, rain, dust and insect bites. And number D, clothes help us to identify the job of a person like doctor, lawyer, nurse, etc. And number 2 also we have done what are fibers. Name two types of fibers. Fibers are long and fine threads. The fabrics are made by weaving the fibers. Two types of fibers are natural fibers and synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. So that's all everyone for today. See you in the next class. Thank you and goodbye.